this point, to help me present the Table Topics Award, I have Norma as the governor of the host area, who will be helping in presenting the awards to the winners. So if you want to come here, to announce third place for Table Topics.
Third place, Table Topics, John Newman. Second place for Table Topics, Yu-Ming Yi. And the winner of the Table Topics contest, the person who will represent Division C, E. That's Division E at the district conference is Michael Leary.